guys, welcome back. My name is Onica Layne and today I will be doing my first cooking with Onica. I'm so excited to do this video and I will be showing off my amazing cooking skills. Yeah, I can cook. So today I will be making a mug pizza. I've seen some videos on YouTube and I decided I want to try it and I want to see how it tastes. I love pizza and right now I'm craving a pizza, so let's get into this video. So to start off making this mug pizza, I have my mug and I have all the ingredients laid out right over here in the corner, and down below in the description bar I am going to be posting the ingredients and measurements for the pizza so you guys can have it if you guys want to try it out. So I'm going to start off by mixing flour. I have my salt, baking soda, and baking powder. I need a spoon. I'm gonna use a small spoon. I'm just gonna mix that together. So now I will be adding the milk and the olive oil, and I actually need to measure out the olive oil, and I need, let's see, I have the measurements here. Olive oil, I need 1 tablespoon, so I need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and right now I have 1.5 tablespoons, so I'm going to put 2 of this, right? 1 tablespoon, yeah. I'm going to put 2 of this because it's 1/2. So I have my olive oil in. And now I'm going to be adding my milk and mix it all together. Oh my god. I think I'm doing this right. It's like a dough. So now I'm going to be adding my marinara sauce, and I'm just going to spoon that around and spread it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my cheese. Gotta open it. Just gonna sprinkle it around. So now I'm gonna add pepperoni. It says peel here. Yeah, it smells weird. I don't know. I think that's enough pepperoni. And I need to put some dry herbs, and I have this pasta herbs, so I'm guessing they're the same thing in there. Some dry Italian herbs, I'm guessing they're the same thing. So I'm just gonna sprinkle, if I get it open, sprinkle some of this on top. Okay, so this is what my pizza is looking right now. So I am going to, now I'm going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 20 seconds. And I'm going to see how it turns out. So let's go. So right now the mug pizza is in the microwave. And yeah, so I don't know. Hopefully it turns out good. So since we have about 1 minute left, let's tell some jokes. Let's see. What did the pepperoni pizza say to the cheese pizza? Do you want some toppings? What did the cheese pizza say to the extra cheese pizza? Why are you so cheesy? I know my jokes are terrible, but yeah. I'm hoping this turns out really good, because if it is, this will be something I'll be making on a regular. And so we have about 20 seconds left. I'm gonna check on it. I don't know, I'm so scared. Hopefully this tastes good. I'm so scared. I don't know. So yeah. Guys, this looked like a legit pizza. It's hot right now, so I'm gonna let it cool. It smells so good. Look at this. So I'm gonna wait till it cool, and while I'm waiting, I'm gonna Snapchat. And if you guys aren't following me on Snapchat, you guys should definitely follow me on Snapchat. You guys should definitely follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Hey guys, I just made a pizza in a mug, and this is what it looks like. Hey guys, I just made a pizza in a mug, and this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna try this and see what it tastes like. This actually tastes so good, guys. I wish I put I'd put more sauce and more cheese, but this tastes amazing. This is amazing. I wish I knew this recipe when I was in college. I would have made this every day and saved so much money on my meal plan. This tastes so good. It's delicious. Okay guys, that's it. Hopefully I don't have any pizza in my teeth. Hey guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed cooking with me. And let me know what you guys would like me to cook next. I actually enjoy making this pizza in the mug because it's so easy. It doesn't require that much ingredients. And it would be so great if you are at college and you are running low on your meal plan and you want to enjoy a good meal. And yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoy it, and yeah, bye.